Райкор сила! Прямо в руку.
Ось так горять ці уроди, ось так. На нашій землі російські танки. І отак вони горітимуть скрізь, в кожному куточку України. Слава Україні!
Слава Україні!
Especially for English-speaking devotees, I'm Rajagopal Das from Ukraine, from Kyiv. Behind me you can see the biggest temple in Europe, Hare Krishna temple. And many devotees from different countries asking me what is going on, what is the situation in Kyiv. And now is 25th, morning 25th of February. And now, more or less, situation among devotees is stable, no victims. You see, first floor or ground floor, anyway, we are preparing our temple just for bombing, potential bombing. And of course, everyone is afraid, everyone is disturbed, and we are very grateful to you, all the devotees, for your prayers, for your mercy, and we really want to ask you for your blessings just for remembering Krishna. We absolutely do not know what is going on because we do not trust our news, but it is really dangerous. Every morning, every day, sirens are loudly chanting their mantras around the Kyiv. And as far as we know, that the Kyiv, capital of Ukraine, is the main point of Putin. So at this moment everything is stable. I hope that by Krishna's mercy we will keep our Krishna consciousness and can be helpful to Srila Prabhupada in preaching in this very panic situation which is around among the population of Ukraine. So please let us receive your blessings just to be merciful instruments in the hands of Srila Prabhupada during this dangerous time. Thank you. Hare Krishna.